Hey there, small business owners. Did you know that nearly half of cyber attacks target businesses just like yours? Let's talk about how you can protect your network and keep your business safe. First up, adopt a zero-trust architecture. This means assuming every access request is a potential threat. Use multi-factor authentication, micro-segmentation, and robust encryption to secure your access points. Next, leverage the power of AI and machine learning. These tools can detect threats in real time and automate responses, helping you stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. Now let's talk about your team. Conduct regular, scenario-based security training for your employees. Focus on phishing, social engineering, and use gamification to keep it engaging. Consider integrating Secure Access Service, EDGE, or SASE. This combines multiple security services like secure web gateways and firewalls into a single cloud-delivered solution. Don't forget about endpoint detection and response, or EDR. Invest in advanced EDR solutions that use behavior-based detection to spot sophisticated threats. Regular backups and disaster recovery plans are crucial. Back up your data to multiple locations, and be sure to test your recovery plan often. This confirms your data's integrity and availability. Make cybersecurity awareness part of your company culture. Encourage everyone to prioritize security and to also understand its importance. Implement strong password policies and enforce multi-factor authentication for all users. This adds an extra layer of security. Keep your software updated and be sure to patch any vulnerabilities regularly. Automate this process where possible to stay ahead of threats. Deploy firewalls and antivirus software to protect your network from unauthorized access and malware. Educate your employees about potential threats, like phishing scams, and the importance of following security protocols. Lastly, explore cost-effective cybersecurity resources. There are plenty of free and low-cost options to help you implement effective security measures without breaking the bank. Stay safe out there, and remember, protecting your network is protecting your business.